Hey guys, me again here, and today we are going to be repairing it looks like it's a connector for a charger that's intended to charge a Onewheel device, and this is the connector right here. So that goes into the Onewheel, and we have our traditional standard battery connection over here. And so basically what happened was the cable on the charger, which is this guy, so the actual charger, the leads seem to have I stripped them now, but before they were broken off. But this is the clean piece of copper, so I'm gonna tin this and clean it up as well. And this is the connector, and if you look closely, the original wires are still like kind of stuck on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up, get rid of the old solder and whatever is left, put the new wire in, flux, heat shrink, and clean it all up for him. And you're gonna see now in a couple of steps how the end result will look like. So I'm in the basement now. Unfortunately, I'm not in my little room because I've been doing some TV repairs like this guy over there. So, and that's gonna be filmed as well. So I've been just, digging into it a little bit. But anyways, that's why some of this stuff is in the basement, because I don't have the room for a TV like that to be fixed upstairs. So I'm going to basically just clean this up and heat shrink and put it all back together, and he should be good to go. So let's start, and I'm going to start by cleaning this up, and then we're going to move on to the next couple steps. Okay, so the wires are tinned, heat shrink is ready, and I cleaned this up a bit. Probably can't see, but all the old solder is gone. I'm going to prep this a bit more. Damn it, focus. Anyways, it can't focus for some reason, my camera. So this is going to get prepped again, and that's going to go on there, heat shrink, and we're done. So let's move on to the next. So battery's reconnected, or sorry, not the battery, the connector's reconnected. I'm just about to put the heat shrink over it. There's our connections. They're looking very nice. So I'm going to put the heat shrink on and go to the next step. So now we're going to put the big piece on here. Just put it over and cover it all up, and we should be good with this. And we're going to quickly test with my multimeter the output and everything. But we should get 12 volts or whatever it is on the connector. But yeah, positive to positive, negative to negative. So let's quickly put this all back together and see. Okay guys, so a little change of plans that we made. Instead of using the big heat shrink, whatever, I had the piece that I was on here was too big, and this one is a bit too small to fit over it and heat shrink it. So I just used a bit of some electrical tape, but the rest is heat shrinked. So yeah, and I checked, we have 50.4 volts on this output over here. So this is working like it should. So I'm gonna let the customer know this is ready to be picked up, and yeah, he'll be on his way. So if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up, put a comment down in the bleep bloop section below, and make sure you hit the bell so that you don't miss a new video when I upload one. So until the next one, take care guys, all right? Bye-bye.